Okay, this American Standard Colony. Rare tool, just fits over the stem. I got this bar actually from my other shower rinse set. Just set up my camera over here. Hands free. Replacing old work. Usually a little harder than it seems. Of course, the water's off. Hopefully. Oh yeah, that one came easy. This code for some reason it took a lot of might. This pot came pretty easy after I had to use my drill bit. I don't normally use my power drill. Forgot my regular battery drill at home. But just the complications you run into with plumbing. Seems simple, just change the shower stem. Yeah, this is out. It's coming right out. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. Come on, baby. Yeah, okay. Of course, I know you gotta do that. Gotta put the work in. It's a little seized up. Just need some action. Ain't seen action in so long. Ooh, that does not feel good. I can get something of a bind now. Come on out, though. Always does. Always does. Come on, baby. Just need some convincing. Ooh, damn. Those stems coming apart. That is not good. Ooh, that is really not good. Put them out. Well, like a job for the pliers. Just looking at the old work. That should pull on out. Wiggle it, baby. You know you want to see the light of day. There you go. Ooh, baby. If y'all can see that, that's ate up. Hot water. But see, the cold water was leaking more than the hot water was, so you never know what that rubber will do. And you never know how bad it is inside. I like to feel inside. I'm using my camera for I ain't got no light, so I'm in Louisiana, so we get pretty good daylight. I done stuck my finger in there. I don't feel no rubber. Guess it probably been ate out over time by the water. Well, it feels good to me. Always gotta have a good feel of what you do. Anyways, got a new hot stem right here. The stem right here. There it is. Pretty as day. Oh, what I like to do, I'm gonna run and go put a little dope on these threads just so plumbing in the future won't be like, Alright, fans. So yeah, that is. I usually just put a little, that's a little dope, right? I dab it around. That's just the way I do it. Everybody different. More than 10 ways to skin a cat. I feel like that's all it needs. Just a little bit goes a long way. Anyways, here we go. A lot of times I grease the rubbers and stuff, but I ain't got time for all that. Making a video. This should take longer than I thought. Anyway, that bad boy back on now. Tool that's made for it. So the other, show y'all a little trick right quick. In case you really get in a bind when these things seize up, like the cold seized up on me real bad. Now I had to work it even with my cheater. I used 3/4 CPVC and I extend it. And of course you can probably use other shit, regular PVC, but it's just what I know to use. I'm tightening it up now, of course, but it's perfect for getting it loose. Remember, when you do, don't, take your time with it. Put in the work, keep them honest. That's it right there. That's it. Now, what I need, discussion. Damn discussion. Oh no, I'll put the sleeve on first. See y'all. I don't know everything. This money on the phone go ring ring. And make sure the thread part down in the front. Tighten it up. Now yes, I will use a pocket wrench to tighten this thing up. Just a little tug, nothing major. Just a little tug. Now the sleeves allows me to tight fit the discussion. And I'm gonna put some caulk on there, but y'all don't need to stick around for all that. But there, now the new handle with the H. See up here, H. See, it's a hot water side, right, y'all? Okay, just a screw. So we done here basically. With the seats, comes with seats and shit too, but I leave them under the cabinet or something. Obviously the seats don't always need changing. You'll know when you turn the water back on. Nice. That's why we plug the drain. Got a little swivel screwdriver. Hold on. This in the off position. This in the off position. I want them both to look the same, so I'll back that on up. This back here. Yes, y'all. There we go. Now that's tight off. Yeah, like I was saying, man. See how nice that look? Nice tool. Pick one up. Find that yourself. So, boom. Hot, cold. You can see the C. See the H. And I guess for the behind the scenes, people get to stick around and watch me caulk it up. Since you ain't got nothing else to do. Let's cut this. Now y'all can't see what I see over here, but I got my whole tool, all the tools I need here displayed. I've been here about an hour. This nice countertop here. They're getting ready to sell the place. I guess the inspector caught this leak here. And again, this is American Standard Colony stem replacement. Let's put that caulk on there. The kitchen, bath, caulk right here. I think it's DAP. Great brand. Yeah, Wiki Seal, adhesive caulk. Yep, that's it. It's already got some caulk there. I'm gonna just go on over it. Probably not the best thing to do, but I never said I was perfect. And I never said they were paying me perfectly. But this shit gonna work. It's gonna work well. And that's what you want. Man, that's nice. You always want to do work where you at least impressed with yourself. At least that's how I play it. Like a pro in the game. Seems a little tissue here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kool-Aid Man Plumbing. Yeah. Nice and tight. Now I'm gonna turn on the water. Y'all ain't gotta be here for all that. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is the tube, American Colony. See that? American Standard Colony. Jay.